Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if Roblox is not launching on Windows 11. Right now my PC is running on Windows 11, and if you want to check whether your Roblox is working or not launching, why, then guys you can do one thing. First of all, to fix your problem you just need to restart your PC. You just need to right click on your video icon, click on shut down or sign out and restart your PC. And if restarting resolve your problem, it's fine. If it is not working, then you can uh, apply the second method, and which is to check Roblox server. If Roblox server is down, or if the Roblox is server is down, you can check it out on their social handle. You just need to go to on Twitter or any social handle, and you can search for Roblox account, this Roblox, and see if this robot, definitely it will be updated here. If it is not mentioned here, then guys it must be device. Now the second thing you can do is, or the third method you can do is to fix launching problem on Roblox. You can see the status. You can see the status, uh, or you can basically you have to visit roblox.com on your browser, and which game that you want to play. Basically, if you're trying to play a specific game, just search for here that game. Like I'm gonna play Blade Bowl. Just search for it and try to play the game from here. Just click on the game and click on this play button. So it will try to load Roblox app from the browser, and click on open Roblox game client. So it will try to forcefully open the Roblox app on your device, and it always works. Roblox launching is or not possible on the Windows 11. So uh, this method always fix the error. And you can also, if the Roblox does not launch, you can also clear the, as you can see, if the Roblox. So if this method Roblox does not launch, you can clear the browser cache and cookies from going into settings. You can go into settings and clear the caches file and cookies. And also, what you need to do, you can do one thing as well. You just need to press Window plus S to open search and search for internet. Internet options. Go to internet options, and now you just need to now you just need to go to in advanced. From here, go to advanced, and in advanced you just need to select this option here. From here, run this program as an administrator, and after that you just need to click on apply and click on OK. After doing this, it will always open your Roblox app as an administrator. So if your Roblox app is not launching, you can try this option, but if it is working, then you don't need to apply this settings. Fine. So after doing all these steps, if still it doesn't work, then you just need to reinstall your application. To install your application, you just need to open any game, uninstall the application. First of all, you can uninstall the application from here. Just go to control panel, and you go to uninstall program and delete uninstall the Roblox player from here. Click on, double click on it, and it will uninstall your Roblox application from your device. Again, let me just open any game from browser. So it will ask you to install Roblox app on your device. So first of all, the installer will be downloaded here. Just click on it to install your application from here. As you can see, it will start installing your Roblox app on your device from here. Now after installing, your Roblox app will be open automatically from here. So these are the things you can try out to fix Roblox launching issue on Windows 11. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.